going on, guys? I'm just here getting set up on the big innovative trading screen, getting ready to jump into the live market. The market opens about 15 minutes, so I'm going to start scanning. I still have a small position in Apple, but I'm about to start scanning through my watch list and see what I can find, and hopefully we can make a good trading day out of this Monday.
Intrigued at your forecast of a nice bounce back for your industry, the hotels. Here we go, 9:30 on a Monday morning. We're off.
The market just opened. I've got Fox Business running over here, and I've got my big screen pulled up over here.
Peripherals outside of
So
the
market's
room.
up
So as much as we want to get those rooms
53
open,
points at the moment.
I mean, when you open up the
We're
rooms,
just gonna
hotels,
push forward and see what we can find. What's going on, guys? I apologize if you can hear the Fox Business in the background, but right now I'm looking at Apple again right here. As you can see, got this drop gap down on the opening, but we're really hitting support this level right here. Support down here. Just trying to make a run up now. I'm going to try to get in and buy a couple options. Maybe wait a minute, see if it pulls back a second, if I can get it a bit cheaper. But it really stopped down here on this 50-day moving average, and we've got kind of some decent support. Moving really slow right now. Yeah, we stopped right at the top of this right here. Draw myself a line. I look for a small pullback. Make sure the market's still running up before I enter the trade. But you know, we're only into the market first 10 minutes, so may have to wait until after the 30-minute mark. Let the market slow down a little bit and see what's really going to go on before we enter this trade. As you can see here, it's already trying to pull back a little bit. So if it bounces again off this 50-day moving average and off our support line right here, then that'll be a good entry point for our trade. I haven't really seen anything else as I've been scanning through my watch list. Was looking at ABT, Abbott Labs, but it's not really doing a whole lot. It's not moving. Couldn't really find anything else here. It's not moving really a whole lot either, but if the market continues to run up, we could go short on gold. Down to 160 dollar. Let's see what they're paying. There's just not really much open interest on it, on gold, so I'm not even gonna bother with it. Go back here and look at Apple. That's bouncing off that support again. Market's up only 122 points. That's the only thing that worries me. We're not up that much. Kind of getting a doji or hangman candle right here also. So we'll wait. We're only 15 minutes into the market, not even so. As Apple's bouncing around, I'll see what else I can find in through here.
That's the stop now. Susan, why is it up so much?
Well, okay, first of all, we have earnings this week as well, but December, hoping that maybe Fremont, which is their main production facility, will be reopened pretty soon, hopefully this week.
I've got you can see here, Apple's trying to make a classic pattern that it likes to do first 30 minutes of the market. It's making this triangle pattern right here. Let me get this off of here. And we got this triangle pattern right here on Apple. What we're looking for is so we got our stochastics trying to break through. Our RSI is up, our RSI is up, our accumulation distribution is up. We're looking for a break outside of this triangle for our entry point. I've been scrolling through my watch list. I haven't really seen anything else that I liked or that hasn't already jumped up this morning, and I don't want to chase anything. Apple's down $2, but I mean, the market's only up 75 points, but I believe if the market can come up and Apple can break out of this triangle, that we may have a good little run on our hands, make some money in the challenge account. A minute and a half left until this candle closes out. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and enter this trade. Triangle that I was talking about, there it is. Why my screen's not cooperate today? See, which we broke out of this triangle right here to the upside above our moving averages, and Apple's now trying to make a run. It was down $3 a share. Now it's only down 40 cents, 45 cents. So yeah, hopefully it keeps on running up. If we can break outside of this high of Friday, then we'll be definitely looking to make it run higher. We'll sit here and watch it, see what happens, and see if we can make some money. And you can see Apple made this pullback first 30 minutes. We caught support right here, some consolidation and kind of a triangle pattern, and it broke out to the upside, and we actually passed up Friday's high. So hopefully we can just keep on running up for the day and make some money. So far we are up $460 between the 3 calls, the one from last week and the 2 from this morning. The 2 from this morning, we are up $150, and the other one we are up $80 on it today. Total of 303 gain on the 1 call from last week, and 143 right now for the 2 today. So everything's looking good. We made that breakout trade, still running up. It's going to pull back probably just a little bit, but hopefully the market keeps going up. Keep an eye on Fox Business and the news while everything's running. Still running up on Apple. We're up to 284.36 now. Apple's just still at the bottom of this channel. We've got so much upside potential. The only thing is we're running into earnings this Friday. Apple's still making this, still pushing higher even after we kind of got like a little bit of a hanging man. You need confirmation. So if I got a red candle after this hanging man pattern, I would have gotten out. Alright, so far I've done some screen recording. I've got this breakout pattern on Apple. We're making some money this morning. Right now we are up a total of $533 on 2 different trades. I got some calls from last week on Apple and 2 this morning. Made more than I make in 2 days of 8-hour days of work. So